Here's how to use templates in CapCut on your PC or laptop. Open up your browser and up here in the search bar typing CapCut template. Click enter. And once you're here, find this link www.capcut.com. Click here, and once you're here, you can find different templates for your CapCut. For example, let's take this one. And you can click on use this template. And as you can see, new window will appear and site offer me replace with your own media. Okay, I can click here and replace free image. For example, choose this image and this. And as you can see, video is great. Okay, now you can click export button, and here you can see in your CapCut account and your video start render. That's it, I hope it helps. You can watch this new video or this playlist about CapCut.